everyone. I am Cynthia with Cynthia's Joyful Creations, and welcome to my joyful space. So today I am bringing this special video to you because I have some happy mail. And it is from Leither Co. And I know I told y'all that I was kind of taking a leave from getting her monthly subscription boxes, and I still am, but I bought something very, very special. It is something that I have had my eye on, and when she put it up for individual sale, I was like, must have. So, are you ready to see what I got? Like, I've not even looked at it. All right, so this is how it's wrapped, and I have some things coming out the back here, so I have to be careful. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to show you those things, though, because actually those things I have bought for you guys. Let's see here. Okay. All right. So this is what I bought for myself, and oh, I'm so excited. So as you can tell from the box, it is probably a hook, and you know how I love Ashley's Leither Co. hooks. So are you ready? Okay, no more teasing. You guys, look at this hook. It is from her Halloween collection last year. And oh my gosh, I absolutely love that hook. I got it in a size J because that's the size that I tend to use a lot for making my hoodies, Afghans, throws. So, oh my gosh, I'm absolutely loving that. And as you can see, oh, that's so cute. There's even a fancy J on the end of it there. I'm absolutely loving that. Oh, so pretty. And I will show you what else I have. I just won't show you how many because I have gotten all of these as gifts to give away during my little love shares from my Saturday shout outs. So here is one of them. So I can get it turned around. And it is a little candy cane stitch marker. Let me see if I can get that to focus in for us. There we go. Whoop. Well, there's the other one. So I also got a couple of these little fishes. I just thought they were so adorable. Let's see. See if I can get it to focus in here. Come on. Well, it's not cooperating. Maybe if I hold them at a... Oh, here we go. Here we go. I don't know why. They're not wanting to do any better. Oh, here we go. Oh, perfect. There we go. But aren't those adorable? So I got several of those, and now I'm blurry. All right. To give as little gifts for you guys, just to say I love you. So I'm excited. So that was my Leither Co. unboxing, so to speak, of my Happy Mail, and definitely love Ashley's theme of get hooked. I'm always hooked. Hope you are. And if you've never tried her hooks, you really, really must. And I've already said that once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away one of these. And so we're almost there. I'm like 400 something away. So tell your friends, share, share, share. But anyway, isn't that gorgeous? Ah, I just love these hooks. I love the ergonomics about them, but I love just the fact that they're conversation starters. I cannot tell you how many times I have been in public crocheting or out with friends, and people just ask me, and they're always like, where did you get that hook? Well, that just made me very sad. But anyway. All right. Well, thank you for sharing in the excitement with me of unboxing my Halloween hook. It is here just in time for Halloween, although I'm not sure that it will be making anything for Halloween, but it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, all right. And whenever I do purchase a hook for that lucky winner when I reach my 1,000 subscribers, I will ask you, the individual winner, what size hook you would prefer having your wooden ergonomic hook in. And I'm going to challenge y'all. If I get to 1,000 subscribers before Christmas, I will purchase 2 of these and give them away. They're $35, then plus shipping and handling, so, and tax. So you're probably looking at a good, well, it doesn't matter. So, yep. And of course, I will also let you kind of give me an idea of what kind of color you're looking for as well. So you'll definitely have a say in what kind of hook you get if you are that lucky winner or winners. So again, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, tell your friends, and someone eventually is going to be the lucky winner of one of these hooks, and I promise you, you will not regret it. You'll probably start stacking up your stash with these hooks. They are absolutely amazing. Just amazing. All right, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations. Bye, everyone.